How are you doing with your resolution to stay healthy? Running out of energy or motivation? If you are, Diet Diva Tara Gidus is here with some energy boosting ideas to keep you on track. Happy New Year, Tara.
Happy New Year to you.
So what have you got for us? Where should we start?
Of course, with breakfast.
Okay.
So this is my new breakfast obsession, these Belvita breakfast biscuits. They came from Europe, brought to the US, crispy, delicious. I can't even tell you how much I love these. And my 3-year-old loves them, so you know they taste good.
Okay.
Okay. So we've got 4 crunchy biscuits in here. And what's interesting about them is they're actually baked specially to give you sustained, lasting energy. So they've got 230 calories, you've got 18 or more grams of whole grain, 3 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber. So the nutritionals are all there, but it's the special baking that gives you that sustained energy, which is really cool. Of course, you can pair it with, if you're on the go, the latte and the banana.
Yes.
So we're rounding it out with some protein and some fruit. And then if you're going to sit down for breakfast, you can do some yogurt, Greek yogurt, and some fruit, and just round out your breakfast there.
And really the key is to keep you full and healthy.
Keep you sustained. You know, I don't want to be full, I want to be sustained. I don't want to be hungry an hour later.
Got it. Okay.
So that's the key.
All right. Bananas.
Bananas.
You know,
bananas. I know. Well, and that's when I think energy, I think bananas, because bananas really are nature's original energy bar. And Dole has a new campaign this year called Peel the Love.
Peel the Love.
So I find myself singing, can you peel the love? But, so, you know, I mean, you really, there is just love inside that peel. 100 calories. And
that's
just,
it.
you know, packed in vitamins and minerals. I can't tell you. So, you know, for everybody on those New Year's resolutions with fitness and everything, great. So these are some protein bars. I have all these recipes on our website. Some like protein energy bars there. Of course, a salad. And this is my new obsession too, is this Yonana machine.
What is this?
This is literally, you take a frozen banana, frozen strawberries, stick it in, smash it down, and you have what looks like frozen yogurt, but there's no sugar added, nothing added. It's just frozen fruit.
Gosh, what a terrific dessert. Great for breakfast.
Wonderful.
Okay,
anytime.
Bananas get a bad rap though, because a lot of people are worried about the sugar in bananas.
Yes. But again, it gives you sustained energy because they have what's called resistant starch, which actually gives you sustained energy. So yes, the sugar, it's fruit, but it's also natural sugar.
Yes to bananas. Okay, what else do you have?
So last but not least, supplements. And I'm a big supplement believer, and these are some of my favorites. Spirulina, and this comes from Hawaii. The brand is Nutrex. And spirulina is like super, 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 you know, one of nature's most nutrient-dense foods. You've got the beta-carotene and zeaxanthin and all kinds of different things. The other one I love is astaxanthin. And astaxanthin, you know how flamingos are pink because they eat shrimp that's pink?
Yeah.
That's where they get the pink from, is the astaxanthin. So again, really nutrient-dense stuff for you.
All right, I can peel the love, Tara.
Peel the love.
For more information and also info on these delicious recipes, all you need to do is head to our website. 26 past the hour, you are watching The Daily Buzz.